Friday. Hopefully you're having a great week and getting ready for an even better weekend. So I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout for Friday. We got a lot of great stuff going on. It is 19.4 of the CrossFit Games Open this week. The Open competition is something that anyone can participate in. So if it sounds like something that could get your fitness really going, then this is a great time to get started with some workouts so that in October, November, when they do this again, you can participate too. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere. So for the workout that we've got today, we are going to be doing a warm-up with 3 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 plank arm raises, 10 donkey kicks, and 10 crunches. So starting with those high knees, we're getting those knees up nice and high, really staying on the toes. Use your arms and legs together. Get as much speed as possible. The quicker you get those feet moving, the better you're going to be. We want to get that heart rate up. It's going to be one of the exercises today. So count that right leg each time, and that way you can get to that 25. If you need to take it back a notch, then just do a standing march and still get those knees up as high as possible. If you need to hold on to something while you're doing it for a little balance and support, that's totally okay. After your 25 high knees, we've got 10 plank arm raises. So you're going to get into that plank position, but you are going to be on your hands here, and you're going to bring your left arm up and your right arm up. 2, 3, if you need to go off your knees, that's fine. And of course, using that raised platform, front of the couch right here, you can do the same thing. The higher the platform, the less the resistance. If you need to do something more like a countertop and do the same thing, that's okay too. After the plank arm raises, you're going to do 10 donkey kicks. So you're going to be on all fours, and you're going to kick that leg up and behind you, and you're going to keep that leg bent as you go up there. Really squeeze the glute, that lower back, hamstring, all that stuff as you're going up. Same thing from a raised surface, just standing and bring that other leg up behind you each time for those donkey kicks. The final one is going to be crunches. And on the crunches, you're going to have your knees up on your back, hands behind the head, and just bring the elbows to the knees. Just get that small crunch in the core each time. If you need to go from a sitting position on these, then just bring your knees up to your chest for the same kind of movement. So 3 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 plank arm raises, 10 donkey kicks, and 10 crunches. Then for the workout today, we're going to be doing a 15-minute AMRAP, and you're going to be doing 15 jumping jacks, 12 lemon squeezers, 9 lunges, and then 6 Spiderman push ups. So starting with those jumping jacks, you're doing 15 of them, and just get those arms and legs moving together, loud and proud. Jump as high as you can, full range of motion. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, bring the arms behind the back each time when you clap. If you need to take it back a step, then just step back and forth for each rep, and that way you don't have quite the impact. Even if you need to go out to the side instead of all the way overhead, again, the best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow, it'll get a little bit better. After your 15 jumping jacks, you're going to go into 12 lemon squeezers. So you're going to be flat on your back again, but this time feet out in front, and you're going to reach for the heels and then right back out. Really squeeze every time. If you're doing this from more a seated position, then similar to the crunch, but I want a little hold here. So hold and let it go. Let it go. Just about a 2-second hold on those lemon squeezers each time will be fine. After that, you've got 9 lunges. Again, right plus left equals 1. Big step, touch that knee to the ground, and then right back up, drive the foot away from the ground. 1, 2. You want to make it more challenging, bring your arms up overhead when you do this. And that's going to be a little bit more balance and stability. And if you need to bring it back a little bit, just find any kind of a step in the house, something anywhere from 8 to 12 inches high, and do that same stepping motion and right up and down each time for those lunges. We're working the same exact muscles. And the final exercise is 6 Spiderman push-ups. So what I'm doing is I'm starting in the top of that push-up position, and as I go down, I'm bringing my knee to my elbow each time. If you need to do this off the knees, that's fine. Same thing, and just bring those knees up. Even if they're touching the ground, and even on the raised surface, just bring one leg up and then the other leg up. It's just going to give a little bit more pressure on the upper body and the shoulders and make the push-ups a little bit more challenging. So 15 minutes, set a watch, set your clock, as many rounds as possible, 15 jumping jacks, 12 lemon squeezers, 9 lunges, and 6 Spiderman push-ups. So have a great workout, make it fun, make it challenging, and get on with it the next day and the next day and the next day. If you haven't yet, go to our YouTube page and subscribe, and we'll have all these workouts posted with subtitles with all the exercises on there for you. So have fun with this, share it with a friend, and as always, we're here to help. 9 a.m. free open to the public class tomorrow. We'd love to see you. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Coach Skip signing off.